In this video, you'll learn how to use the reorder payment method feature in Nex Reorder. We'll first explore the different sections on this page and then create a practical rule by moving Pay by Invoice to the top of the payment methods list and check to the bottom. Let's get started. At the top, you'll find the rule name field. This is a required field. Enter a descriptive name so you can easily identify and manage your rule later. On the right is the rule status. Before saving your rule, make sure it's set to active. Next is the payment methods section. This is where you select the payment methods you'd like to reorder. Simply click the drop down to view the most common payment methods or start typing to search for a specific one. Once you find a payment method, click it to add it to your rule. For this example, I'll select Pay by Invoice and check. Next is the Display Order section. This is where you define the order in which your payment methods appear at checkout. Nex Reorder provides two ways to reorder payment methods. And the first option is drag and drop. Simply drag a payment method to its preferred position in the list. You can also use the quick actions to move a payment method to the top or bottom. If you need more precise control, click Edit Positions manually. This allows you to assign a position number to each payment method. Position 1 appears first at checkout, followed by position 2, position 3, and so on. For this example, I'll move Pay by Invoice to the first position and check to the last position. Now let's look at the conditions section. Adding conditions is optional. If you want your rule to apply only in specific situations, you can add one or more conditions here. Otherwise, you can leave this section empty and the new payment order will apply to all your customers. Next Reorder provides general rules, product-based rules, and advanced and custom rules to help you build simple or advanced checkout rules. You'll also notice the condition match type. Choose all conditions pass when every condition must be true before the rule is applied. Choose any condition pass when the rule should apply if at least one condition matches. For this example, we'll leave the conditions section empty so the payment methods are reordered for all customers. Finally, make sure the rule status is active, then click Save. Let's test the rule. Before applying the rule, bank transfer appears first, followed by cash on delivery, check, pay by invoice, and wire transfer. After saving the rule, pay by invoice automatically moves to the top of the payment methods list, while check moves to the bottom. The remaining payment methods adjust their positions automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a reorder payment method rule. You can use the same workflow to reorder payment methods for all customers or apply different payment orders using conditions such as cart value, customer information, shipping location, products, collections, discounts, and many other checkout conditions with Nex Reorder.